Cooking verbs. Stir. I need a teaspoon to stir my tea. Simmer. Let the soup to simmer a few minutes. Dip. They dip the food into the sauce. Grill. Grill the meat for 20 minutes each side. Layer. For a party, a layer cake can be decorated to fit the occasion. Melt. She melted the chocolate in the microwave. Pour. Pour the oil over the pasta. Scramble. I will scramble some eggs for breakfast. Grate. Grate the cheese into a mixing bowl. Slice. Helen sliced the cake. Bake. How long has the cake been baking? Blend. Blend the ingredients until you have a smooth cream. Boil. The water is boiling. Chop. Chop the onions very finely. Fry. Gently fry the sausages in a pan with oil. Toast. Toast the bread lightly on both sides. Percolate. Coffee was percolating on the stove. Peel. She sat down and began peeling potatoes. Freeze. You can prepare 2 meals at one time and freeze one for another time. Mix. Mix the ingredients together slowly. Wash. We have to wash the dishes. Mash. Tip the cooked potatoes in and mash. Roll. Lightly dust a work surface with flour and roll the dough. Roast. The chicken is roasting in the oven. Refrigerate. Refrigerate the mixture for an hour before serving. Sprinkle. She sprinkled the pasta with grated cheese. Add. Liquid or soft mixture served with food to add flavor. Squeeze. Squeeze the lemon juice into a mixing bowl. Break. I had to break a few eggs to make the omelette. Spread. He spread some strawberry jam on his toast. Knead. Gently knead the dough down in the bowl. Slice. Slice the steak into long thin slices. Mix. Mix the eggs with the cream until the mixture thickens. Whisk. Whisk the egg and then add the flour. Drain. Pour the sauce over the drained pasta and stir together.